Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PlayStation 5 power button. We will begin by exploring the most frequent causes of power button issues, helping you quickly identify the problem. Then, I will guide you through essential initial troubleshooting steps, ensuring you cover all the basics. Finally, we will cover straightforward solutions that often resolve these common power button malfunctions, getting your console back in action. First, always confirm your power cable is firmly connected to both the console and the wall outlet. A loose connection is a surprisingly common culprit. Next, test your power outlet with another device like a lamp to ensure it is supplying power correctly. If the outlet works, try a full power cycle. Unplug your PlayStation 5 for at least 1 minute, then plug it back in and attempt to power it on. If basic checks do not work, carefully inspect the power button for any visible debris or obstructions that might be preventing it from pressing correctly. Sometimes, a small particle can cause issues. Next, try booting your console into safe mode. This can help bypass software problems. If successful, consider rebuilding the database from the safe mode menu, which can resolve various system errors without deleting your games. Should all these troubleshooting steps prove unsuccessful, it is time to reach out to PlayStation support. Be prepared to provide them with a clear description of the problem and all the actions you have already taken. This information will help them diagnose the issue more efficiently. Remember, internal hardware failures or more complex electrical problems often require professional repair by trained technicians.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.